Hey you guys, I'm here with another DIY and this is going to be a Father's Day gift basket. It's really last minute for me because I'm usually pretty early with these, but I went to the dollar store and I found these cute baskets. They sell them in different colors, white, black, blue. So if you get your hands on them, they make great gift baskets. Here's the white one. I wanted to just show you real quick. It's so cute. And they have a handle, so once you're done with it, you could use it as storage, which is perfect. So I ended up grabbing some dark blue tissue, and all I did was crunch it up, put it around the styrofoam, and then I actually got a light one. I figured the colors would go really pretty, and the basket came out really pretty, you guys. It's gorgeous. So here we go. Isn't it cute? Okay, so then I put it to the side and I wanted to show you the goodies that I got. So this is for my stepfather. He likes to eat a lot of like snacks and stuff. So I went to the dollar store and I actually found these 3 packages of snacks. They have the energy, the fruit and nuts, and then the other one I think, oh, I forgot. And then they had these chocolate covered berries. And then, of course, the Dove chocolate, which is my favorite. Every time I go there, I pick up 2 bags for myself, which I actually didn't end up using in the basket. Then I picked up some gum, because he likes to carry around gum. So let's get started. I end up putting oh, there you go, sunshine. So I end up putting the 3 berries in the back, just so they would be like my wow factor. So that was perfect, and they actually fit really nice. Then I went ahead and I grabbed the gift card. This one's to McDonald's. It's a $10 because he loves to go to McDonald's for his coffee. So this is so perfect, you guys. And then I actually put the dark chocolate covered blueberries in the front. There you go. I end up getting some pens, which I actually found at the dollar store as well, because he likes to carry one in his pocket, so when he signs stuff. So that's perfect. And then you guys, somebody asked me on my hand what does that tattoo is, and it actually says Antonio, which is my father's name, who passed away a couple years ago. So I ended up putting it on my hand, and it came out perfect because I also named my first son Antonio, and my husband's name has Antonio in it too. So it's very perfect, you guys. And then I put some gum because he likes to chew gum. So look at how cute it's coming out. I love it. Okay, and so this is the ribbon I'm going to use. You always see it. I always get them in the same color and the same fabric. I don't like the satin kind. I picked those up at the dollar store, as well as the gift bags. You just saw my baby pass. And I love these clear gift bags because you guys, you can always cut them down if you need to, or use them really tall, however you want. And they're super big, so any basket size fits great inside of it. And plus you get 2. You can't go wrong with 2 for $1. So then there you go. I gave myself the thumbs up. This is a super easy basket with just mixed healthy stuff. And there you go. I'm wrapping it up. And then you guys, real quick, at the end I was going to show you the whole thing, but somehow my camera cut it off. So I didn't, but I will put pictures up on Instagram. Oh, and then the ribbon, I put a little piece of tape from one corner, from the edge bottom to the next corner, just so the bag looks more fitted and it looks really nice. And then the way I measure my ribbon is I grab a ruler and I do it 3 times. And that's the perfect size for any bowl and any basket. Go ahead and try it and you'll see it. That way you don't waste any more ribbon than you have to. and it's perfect. Look at my kid. It's so cute. So then go ahead. See how perfect it is? It makes the basket look more fitted, more chic. And then go ahead and wrap your bowl. Always make sure you have the same length on both sides so your bowl won't be lopsided. And go ahead and wrap your bowl. And then cut the top off if it's too long for you, because if it's too heavy, just go ahead and grab some scissors and trim it. And then you're all set, you guys. I hope you all have a great Father's Day. And I hope you like this video. And until next time, bye you guys.